I'm Kate Richburg, Director of Education here at Beaducation.com, and today I'm going to show you how simple it is to use the solder cutting plier. The solder cutting plier is a really essential tool to use when you're cutting solder wire. It sizes the solder wire just perfectly when it cuts, so your solder wire isn't too big or too small, but it's perfect every time. It also allows you to control the wire as you cut it. If you're cutting the solder wire with, let's say, a simple pair of wire cutters, that little piece of wire that you're cutting off has a tendency to fly off and get lost really quickly. With this solder cutting plier, the cut that you make stays contained. So I use the specialty solder wire cutter, and you simply just insert the wire into the little hole of the cutter like so, and clip away. I clip right into a little bowl so it contains the pieces of wire and keeps them from flying all over the place, as well as when you use this solder cutting plier, it gives you a piece of solder that's about 2 millimeters in length, which is the perfect size for soldering.